Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101, and today we're going to be talking about the Mini Inferno all-weather fire disc. I got this in my Battlbox, I think about a month or two ago, and I had someone send me a personal message through YouTube asking if I could do a quick demo or video about this because they were thinking about getting this because they were going to be going on a backpacking trip. And I said, absolutely. So, and what we're going to be using is my Bic lighter. And as you can see, this is the lighter bro that I got from Battlbox. And I've actually been using this for a couple weeks since I've gotten it. I'm actually going to do a video about this. So, but that's not why we're here. We're here to do this. So now what we're going to do is we're going to open this bad boy up. As you can see, there's like little disc. Don't mistake these for crackers. And then literally all all it says to do is you're gonna wanna bend it up so you can light it. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pause this and we're gonna put this in my fireplace because it's raining outside, and we're gonna light this to see how this works. All right, guys, and before we do this, I know I just said at the last segment that, it's raining outside. I know a few people are gonna say, well, it's supposed to light in the rain. Yeah, but I was just trying to make a good, clean demo for this to have a video for you guys. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna light this. And it says about 30 seconds, wait for it to get a good flame going, and then it says you can kind of take your brush or your twigs and put it over it so that it really will get your fire going. But it said to wait about 30 seconds before you do that, so make sure you do that. And that lit pretty easy. As you see, I had to hold it there for a few seconds, but it's definitely getting a good flame. So if you were slowly introducing it into a fire to get a fire going, it's definitely worth it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to pause the video and put it on time lapse, so we're not going to be here all day, and we'll kind of do a timer how long it takes. All right, guys, this has been about 6 minutes. As you can see, there's just a small, tiny flame left. And as you can see, with that bent up, you would definitely be able to get a good fire going as long as you had all your kindling and your twigs and whatever, your birds, the jute twine and stuff for your little bird's nest to really get a fire going. So, about 7 minutes, this is still going. And definitely these are a good thing to have. And with them being all weather and stuff, is a plus too. So if you had shelter and you had stuff that was somewhat a little bit dry, this would definitely kind of help get it going so you can get a good roaring fire going. So definitely in my book, I think maybe in my opinion, it's a good must to have in an EDC bag. And the fire just went out at actually 9 minutes. So definitely these are definitely good to have. Going to do a quick count just so you guys will know. There's a total of, there's a 6 in a container. So with me burning one, I have 5 left, so a total of 6. So definitely these are a good thing to have. Put them in your EDC bag. They're definitely very light in weight. So that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys have any comments or questions, write those down below. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and if you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much, and we will catch you guys down the road.